Welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question. 3 raised to the power of m plus 3 raised to the power of m equals to 36. We have to find the value of m. So we have 3 raised to the power of m plus 3 raised to the power of m equals to 36. So we add the two together. Let's factorize. 3 raised to the power of m here is 1 plus 1 equals to 36. 1 plus 1, that gives us 2 times 3 raised to the power of m equals to 36. So we can divide both sides by 2. 2 divided 2, we have 3 raised to the power of m to be equal to 2 here is 1, mean that 1, 2 in 16, that's 8. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of m equals to 18. So from here we can find log of both sides. Log 3 raised to the power of m equals to log 18. Log 18 can be written as 6. So we can write this in this form. Log 3 raised to the power of m equal to log 3 times 6. Okay, which can be further written as log 3 raised to the power of m equals to log 3 plus log 6. Okay, so if you apply the rules of log, as if you have log b raised to the power of a equals to a log b. So if we apply this, we are now going to have m log 3 base 3 equals to log 3 base 3 plus log 6 base 3. Okay, I can further say, recall that log a base a is what? Is 1. So therefore, if you apply that here, we are going to have m times 1 equals to 1 plus log what? Log 6 base 3. So if we do that, m times 1 will give us m equals to 1 plus log 6 base 3. So I can further. So we can continue with this by breaking this into 2. I think we have m to be equal to 1 plus log 2 base 3 times log 3 base 3. Okay, which will further now give us m to be equals to 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 3 base 3 will give us also what? 1. So we can have our m to be equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 2 base 3. So this can finally give us m equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3. That is the final answer. The value of m is is 2 plus log 2 base 3. Let's verify our answer to the question. The question says 3 raised to the power of m plus 3 raised to the power of m equals to 36. It is further, by factorization, we are going to have 2 times 3 raised to the power of what? M equal to 36. Dividing by 2, divide by 2. We are going to have 2 divide 2 here. So we have 3 raised to the power of m equals to 3 years 1, 2 and 16. That's 8. Give us 18. But recall the value of m is 2 plus log 2 base 3. So we are now going to have 3 raised to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3, which is equal to what? 18. So if you apply rule of indices, so this is going to be 3 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of log 2 base 3, which is equal to what? 18. Okay, but recall that in the rule of logarithm, if you have a raised to the power of log b base a is equals to b. So if you apply that here, I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 18. And what is 3 raised to the power of 2? That's 3 times 3. That gives us 9 times 2. Give us 18. 9 times 2 is equal to what? 18 is equal to 18. So this is verified. So it shows that the value of m here is 2 plus log 2 base 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.